Features of ZP4100 Rotary Tablet Press. Equipped with a cantilever 10-inch color HMI touchscreen. Quasi-high-speed design with dual tablet discharge, output reaches 220,000 to 350,000 tablets per hour. Maximum main compression force, 100 kN. Maximum pre-compression force, 30 kN, superior to conventional rotary tablet presses. Adopts industrial aesthetic design with a novel, elegant, concise and streamlined appearance. Fully GMP compliant, featuring compact structure, stable performance, simple operation, and fast cleaning and product changeover. User-friendly HMI with real-time display of tablet thickness and filling depth. Advanced positive displacement thin oil lubrication system delivers precise and stable oil supply to all lubrication points. Forced feeder with easy disassembly and assembly. Anti-sticking punch device available as an optional accessory. Double-layer tablet pressing device available as an optional accessory.